Hi friends, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to generate access token for LinkedIn developers. Go to LinkedIn friends, this first website, click for developers here and then click create app. After that, write your app name, for example test name, app name, and then go to this website, choose to your company LinkedIn name. For example, this is your company. After that, you have privacy policy here, URL, upload your image or logo, for example this logo, and click I have ready and agree this term and conditions and click create app, and then just await friends to generate your tokens here. As you can see here, this is all about your tokens and client ID, and then click you can generate new client secret if you don't have the access token 2 months and token time to live duration. This is the token time live durations. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more.